Good morning, everyone. I just thought I'd make a short video to introduce you to our first week back. I'd like to introduce you to my assistant. Say hello, Patches. Hello? No? All right. Go do something else. Fine. Go upstairs. This week, we're simply going to concentrate on making sure that the third quarter grades are where you would like them to be at the end of the week. In fact, at the end of day Thursday is the end of our third quarter. So please go to PowerSchool. Please take a look at all of your grades for the third quarter. None of the assignments that are listed were added after we left the building on that Friday. So everything has been posted for a while. Friday, we start the new quarter. Friday is going to be the start of using videos in Khan Academy for a little while in order to introduce and practice new material. But until then, we're just trying to get caught up with everything. At the beginning of the week, as in today on Canvas, I will post our goal for the week, and every day I will post an assignment. Also, on Mondays, I will post a problem of the week along with the assignment, and on Friday, I will post the solution. So there really isn't much more than that. When you do get a Khan Academy assignment done or upgraded for the third quarter, please email me and let me know the track and the new grade. That would be great. I'm here to help if you need anything. We're all going to have a little bit of patience and flexibility. If you don't quite know what to do, or if you're having trouble with the material itself, please get in touch with me and we'll see what we can do from this end to help you out. If you have any questions, send me an email and together we will get the third quarter wrapped up between now and the end of the day on Thursday. And on Friday, we'll get started on the fourth quarter for the year. Looking forward to working with everyone again. Hope all is well.